This is how you can remove the CapCut watermark from your videos permanently. Right now, I see most of you trying to remove the CapCut watermark from your video manually by tapping on it and deleting it like this in every single video. No, you are doing it the wrong way. Let me show you the super fast way to do it without having to be doing this every single time. All that you have to do is just close your project like this and go to the settings icon at the top right here. I believe you can see it right here. Good. So when you are here, just come down and locate add default ending, turn it off and tap on discard. Voila, that is it. When you import any project, you will not see the CapCut logo at the end of it in the future, right? Let me delete this one and let's import another video, or let's start another project and see if we will see this at the end of it. Right, let's go. All right, let's assume I'm importing this video right here. At the end of it, you're not going to see any ending with watermark from CapCut, right? That is how you can do this simply in CapCut within 10 seconds, and it is forever. You don't have to repeat it over and over again. Guys, if you like this video, give a follow and also subscribe to this YouTube channel right here, and don't forget to like the video and share with others, right? I'll see you in the next one. Bless up.